Well, folks, this is Steve AB4L. I got one close-up lens on. You can tell it's springtime. Look at how beautiful that daffodil is. This is what they look like from behind. And I'm hoping I'm getting the distance right. Hang on. Crippled old man. Now these have been here for years, and I've made videos about them. You need to clean behind your ears. It's beautiful. Now this is a lousy camera. Here's a partially open one. So you get a view of what it looks like. So I hope I'm getting the focus right. They're waving in the breeze. Steve AB4L is loving nature, saying see you in 73.